When you own a Patriot camper, every weekend can be a getaway. We holiday here because that's where our spending money should stay. Borders have now opened up and a trip abroad might seem great. We're here to tell you, Australia has more beauty than a boarding gate. So to all my fellow Patriots who will be holidaying here, Patriot has some prizes up for grabs when you share your adventures this year. Simply film your trip, upload to YouTube and enter our competition online, so all of Australia can vote for you and choose who wins each time. Entries open December 1st and close at midnight Australia Day. So get your entries in quick because voting starts right away.